Video number 6. WhatsApp calls. Not so long ago, only those that had the function activated would be able to use the calling function. But now, with just upgrading to the latest version, you will be able to enable the calling function automatically. WhatsApp Call is available for users of WhatsApp Android, iPhone, Windows Phone, and BlackBerry, and other devices that have the feature enabled, which means you can call anyone that has any of those devices with WhatsApp installed. The WhatsApp calling function allows you to make free calls to all your friends and family who have WhatsApp, even if they are in another country. WhatsApp Call uses the data connection on your phone instead of the calling plan of your mobile operator, so you will only be charged for the use of your mobile data. And if you use Wi-Fi, the call will be absolutely free. It is important to note that you cannot make calls to emergency service numbers via WhatsApp, so you have to use other means to make an emergency call. Making phone calls with WhatsApp is simple. You can click on the Calls tab and you will see a list of all incoming or outgoing calls that have been made. If you want to contact any one of those persons, you can just click on the phone icon located at the right of the contact. If you want to make a new call with another contact not listed here, you can click on the phone icon with a plus located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, you will click on the little search icon to find and select a contact. Using the phone keypad, enter the name of the person you wish to call or simply select it from the drop-down. When you click on the name of the person, the call will start automatically. While the call is connected, you have 3 options. The little speaker icon will let you enable the speaker of your device, so you can talk without sticking your phone to your ear. The little microphone icon will let you mute the call, and the little chat icon will let you chat with your contact while you are talking with them, which is awesome. You can go back to the call area by clicking on the tab Return to Call. If you want to end the call, you just need to click on the red phone icon located in the middle. As you can see, if you are chatting with a contact, you can also perform a call from there. When someone calls you, your screen shows you a WhatsApp call notification. To answer, just press and slide the green button to answer. If you do not want to answer, touch and slide the red button to reject. Something important for you to notice is that every one of the 3 areas, calls, chats, and contacts, has its own settings area. Here in the calling area, if your device shows this little icon with 3 lines, it will show the exact same thing as the 3 dots icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Those options are Clear Call Log, Status, and Settings. Also, something very important to know is that this Settings tab and the Status tab are exactly the same for all the 3 main tabs, calls, chats, and contacts. If that is something you have already set up, it is not necessary to go there again. In the Clear Call Log, you simply will be able to clear your entire call log. You are now more than ready to start playing around with this and call all the friends you want.